So back in the workshop today, we've got a Gsxr 750 track bike. Full system, come in, it's been stood up for about a year. Drain the fuel tank out. I'm going to check the fuel pump pressure on the dyno, as when it was packed away it had like a hesitation or lack of like sort of kind of power when it was flat out when it got hot. So I found a few issues, got the injectors out. There's a few bad connections on the relay. They're all manky and furry. New set of plugs. And then we got the injectors out. Checking the spray pattern. That's the top injectors. Bottom ones have all been done, cleaned, ultrasonically cleaned in the tank, and then checked on the tester. So yeah, so I've taken the fuel pump out. I'm going to check the T-bag filter, but on inspection, one of the earth terminals is loose. So this one here, look at that. And that is the main earth terminal for the fuel pump. So under high load, that is going to be pulling more current. With a poor connection, that could possibly drop the amount of current the pump can pull at full check. So on assembly, I'm going to make sure that that is tight and yeah, get it back in the fuel tank and run it up on the dyno. So that's the runs done on the Gsxr 750 K7, and it looks like it needs a fuel pump or fuel pressure regulator. Let's look at the graphs. 13 and a bit thousand RPM, I mean Jesus, it just drops on its arse. 109 brake horsepower, should be around about 126, but you can see where the standard bike, it keeps on climbing, where this one, where the fuel pressure just drops off, you can see where it goes lean from about 11,500 RPM, look. And that is all because of fuel pressure. So yeah, the dyno is a brilliant diagnostic tool. It's not just for tuning, it's for testing things like this that you cannot test out on the road or the track. I've got the fuel pressure gauge connected up to it. I've ran it up operating conditions and found a problem. So yeah, it's a fantastic tool to have. And yeah, having the correct tools to diagnose problems is an absolute must, obviously, in this trade. So yeah, thanks for watching. JB Motorcycle Services, Crossways, Dorset. See you soon.